ground.
Hakuna shida, I'll record a statement.
You can wait. You just come here.
I'll record a statement.
Mwikarigiti wa bodi ya kuramata MAAI Derito Mathenge hamwe na ameba a bodi no ya Central Rift Valley Water Works Development Agency na makinyanirie itwaria kuhe uria urari murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru RUTHA rwa o MUHAKA utho wake gukuruhanio na ungumania wa ciringi mbirioini 1.7 WAKI-INI wa NDEMU kaunti-ini ya BOMET.
LONGISA MULOT project ambayo Central Rift Valley ina implement. Ikasemekana kuna mambo ambayo hayaendelei sawa sawa, na sisi kama board tukasoma hiyo barua na tukapitisha leo asubuhi ya kwamba CEO aondoke kwa ofisi kwa muda tukigojea investigation, uchunguzi ambao unaendelea.
Kwirikana hena wara wa kugirio oguri-ini wa indo iria ciabatarikanaga hindi ya WAKI ugitwika Oruma ahitukiria oguri wa indo citakinyanirie ikiro.
Project ni ya kama bilioni 1.7, lakini nikawaambia ni specifications za material ambazo zimebadilika, lakini hakuna pesa ambayo serikali imepotea.
Be forced to take my leave. Of course, leave is an option of the officer to take the leave. I'll take the leave, but I seek justice.
Ona kuri uguo Oruma ni atatairie kiuga gutiri wara wa kugirio ende kurugamio gwake kwa wera ni utati mutheri.
The project was procured and variations about materials have been done and the project is ongoing. All this is all about politics going around because maybe some quarters are not comfortable that the CEO in this institution is not supposed to be the one in that office. I am aware of a letter that the board of directors are acting upon, that certain office, which might not be even the authority to push the CEO out of office.
Nindetweria icungiriirie GICANJAMA thutha wa ameba bodi no kuga Oruma ni akumarutire mushinga no kuringana nake amebaya nio mamuhofanirie na kumuhura.
But I hope I will come back like any other officer.
Muthia Oruma ni kirio ngono na gutwaro ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kaptembwa na ikuru ya ithwiro niguo kwandikithia ndumiriri yake. Kwa ihinda riri bodi no ni amurite Douglas Murray ta murugamiriri wa ihinda riri kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC ya bikite uthuthuria.
I think